What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Glass Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Doc, and today I have something special for you guys. So we're going to be reviewing the Ethos Interior Detailer. Think of it like a DIY detail clean and protect, and this is what it does. It literally says it right there: cleans and protects. So that's what we're going to be using this for. And also, just a heads up, I've already taken a quick look of the interior. I'm going to vacuum, but I really want to see how it does on the actual surfaces, and that's going to be the premise of the video. It's supposed to leave a nice dark rich sheen, so let's see if it really leaves that, and it's true to the hype. So let's get started. I'll show you a quick view on how everything looks, and it's supposed to be safe on all surfaces. So I will see you in a bit. All right, everyone, so I already showed you how the interior look, but pretty much I'm gonna probably do it on this one. It's not hot, so we should be good. I just pulled this out in the sun. I did the video on how to coat your windshield using Easy Glass from Ethos, but I have two towels here. So I'm going to use one to spray one on the towel, just saturate it. Smells like coconuts, fantastic. And we're going to just wipe this in. It's supposed to clean and protect. So using it like that, come back around, buff off, and very nice. Very easy, very simple to use. Let's use it on this stuff right here that I don't know what it is, but we're going to spray it right there. Eats that up easily. Come on in with your saturated towel, wipe it in, and it leaves a nice little sheen when you level it off like that. Quick and easy, nothing to it. Let's use it on the door panel. Let me grab my tripod and show you a quick 50-50 on how all of this looks, and then we're gonna apply it and see the results. Oh yeah, one thing I want to see is it safe on infotainment screen? So we're gonna wipe this in. Feels slick on the glass or on the infotainment screen, and it wipes off just fine. Nothing to it. A couple stuff in here, I think, so no fingerprints, but I'm gonna remove it. It's some sticky stuff. So overall, safe on infotainment screens, no issues there. So let's see how it works on a door panel like this, and I'm going to spray some directly on. Spray a little bit there, and if some gets on the glass, that's fine. I just want to see how this performs. Remember, this towel is already saturated with it, so we're just going to wipe this in, and let's see how it just reacts first. I'm gonna wipe all of this in. It's cleaning up some of that dirt and film that was on there and body oils, which I like seeing. It just means it is doing its job, and I pretty much maintained my car to begin with. Some was on the glass, wiped off just fine on the glass. Come back around with your second buff off towel and see how it cleaned up. So pretty easy, nothing to it, literally nothing to it. If you want to touch up on your buttons where you may have missed. Yo, this thing smells so good. Oh man, smells like coconuts, like coconut juice, coconut water, coconut icy. So cleans up very nice. It removes some of those water spots that was here because it was raining the other day, and when I opened the door, I had some water on there, and then it dried up. It came out very nice. Let me show you how this looks. Look at that. Even remove some of the stains there. leaves a nice dark rich sheen. Look at that. Just when I get close, thing looks fire. And it's quick. Now let me do the traditional bend ya over, and I'm gonna spray some here on this door seal, whatever you want to call it. Spray some there, see how well it cleans and how well it protects. Wait, whoops, almost dropped you guys. But sprayed some right there. Second buffalo towel. Look at that. Leaves a nice satin sheen. Damn. Damn, this is good. No streaks, look. Damn. This is top notch, bro. Top notch. Very, very nice. Let me clean up the store seat. You see how dull it looks. I'm gonna spray some of this on and come in with your saturated towel. Clean this up with the product. Now, I am liking this. All right, Ethos. Tim, I'm gonna have to give you a call after this, cause look at that. I'm not bugging. Look how quick and easy that was. All right, Tim. One sec. All right, everyone. So this is how everything literally looks, nice and clean. Don't worry, I'm gonna vacuum after. I just came to review this, and bro, it came out very, very nice. Look at that nice sheen that it leaves. Cleaned and protect. Infotainment screen is nice and clean. Look how nice the cup holders look compared to from the intro. It is a very, very, very nice product to work with. I'll see you in the outro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's quick, it's short, but it's very informative, and you saw the results that this leaves behind. It is a phenomenal product. And Tim, just quick question. Who told you to make something that works this good? You know, my car smells great. You know what it smells like? You know, it smells like as if like 2 coconuts came and is ready to teabag you. It smacks you right in the face, and it smells. It's like, come on, just do it. You know, just land on my face. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Phenomenal product, smells amazing. Tim, you really outdid yourself with this. I really enjoyed it. All the products will be down below in the description, or product. And for you guys to order, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.